This is the Tallas Electronic Booster Pump. It's got a standard automatic on-off function which basically turns itself on and off as you open and close a tap in your home. The flow rates of these pumps are 53 and 65 litres a minute depending on the size that you buy. This is ideal to pump up to 43 and 45 litres a minute, which is perfect for a standard home use and irrigation system. This particular pump has an electronic interface which allows you to control the cut-in and cut-out pressure of this pump. It also has numerous built-in protection features like Run Dry Protect, a self-priming function. It has a built-in anti-leak function which allows you to detect if there's any leaks in your home. So if you've got a leaking toilet or a dripping tap, the pump will automatically detect that and turn itself off to save that valuable water resource. The pump has an auto reset function which will test the system to see if the repair has been done. The pump has a manual override, so you can run this pump with a standard on-off function. This pump is a simple plug and play. Easy to carry, easy drain, it's water cooled, it has swivel quick release fittings, sufficient pressure for multiple stories, and it has a QR code which allows you to connect directly to the supplier's website for troubleshooting and installation diagrams. If this product information was useful, like it, share it, and you can subscribe to our channel.